Right, today we're going to bring a garage opener, a remote garage opener, and works with your Wi-Fi. It has to be at 2.4 hertz. It cannot be at 5 hertz, so make sure your wireless is compatible with it too. So here we have the actual device. It's going to require power too, so they give you a USB to connect to it, all right, on the side, if you guys can see that, the connection. Now, you are going to need positive and negative connection, so just make sure you have the correct wiring on your actual receiver, which is your remote system that has the garage mechanical part of it, all right? Just make sure you're aware of that. I'm gonna show you a little bit about that system, how to connect that and how to mount this system up, all right? So we are gonna power it up. We're gonna make sure we do the phone system too remotely, and then we're gonna try to open the garage with it too. So if you ever leave your garage open, you can always close it remotely. Or if you have another sensor that they also include, it's a separate feature that will let you know if your garage is open or closed. All right, so we're going to go ahead and set this up and see how it works. So we are going to plug in our controllers here. If you guys can see, we do have all the connections, all the right features. All we got to do is make sure we plug them in, and I'm going to combine with the existing cable that I have, which it has the sensors and it has the power too also too. Now we're going to go ahead and plug it in, and before you do that, make sure you turn off the power on this system, which I do have one cable only. So I'm going to disconnect it. We're going to plug it in, have all the wiring set up. We're going to hang our sensor in front of it, but before we do that, we're going to go ahead and set it up on our phone. We're going to go ahead and start the application. So we're on our camera here, and our camera, we're going to go into our photos, and here we are. We're going to go into the menu, and it's going to take us straight to the actual application. You do need to download it. I would suggest go to the store, the Apple Store, or the Google Play. So we're going to open it up, and we already have the app. We're going to go ahead and agree to the terms, log in, let the device find itself. There it is, discovering device. We're gonna add it. So we have it hanging up here. If you guys can see, it's right there. It's powered up already. Cable's already managed already. I know it looks a little messy up there, but we have our actual setup already. And we're gonna use the application to open and close the actual door. So the app itself, you have actually to change a couple settings. You could do countdowns, you could do alarms, you could set up a lot of features in here. So we're going to close our garage, but right now we have an obstacle and it's not working because I have something opening the door right now. So we could just click on it again and it clicks again. So it takes about, there's a delay, second delay on it, but it works. The difficulty part of this is only to setting up the wiring, and I had to take the thing apart so I could figure it out how to set my connection up. But if you don't have a difficulty as I do and you have a simple wiring, you shouldn't have an issue. So it works great with the app. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.